The Huawei Mate 70 Pro, set to launch in late 2024, is poised to be a significant advancement in smartphone technology. It is expected to feature a 6.88-inch LTPO OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. The device is anticipated to be powered by the Kirin 9100 chipset, built on a 6nm process, delivering robust performance and 5G connectivity. In terms of photography, the Mate 70 Pro is rumored to house a 50MP main camera with a 1/1.3-inch sensor and variable aperture, alongside a 50MP periscope lens offering 3.5x optical zoom and a dedicated telephoto macro mode, enhancing its versatility in capturing detailed images. Security features are expected to include an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor and advanced 3D facial recognition technology. The battery is speculated to be a silicon-based unit with a capacity approaching 6,000 mAh, supporting both wired and wireless charging, ensuring extended usage. Additionally, the Mate 70 Pro is likely to run on HarmonyOS Next, Huawei's latest operating system, offering a seamless and intuitive user experience. These specifications position the Huawei Mate 70 Pro as a formidable contender in the high-end smartphone market, combining cutting-edge technology with user-centric features.
Here we go.